Hello everyone, this is Emily. Today we are going to make the pan-fried dumpling in two different types of flavor, one with cabbage and one with prawn. The first one we are going to make is the cabbage pork dumpling. Finely chop the cabbage. Cabbage contains water which will make your dumpling soggy. To help to solve the problem, add 1 teaspoon of salt and let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes and later on firmly squeeze out the excess water. I'm using pork mince with 25% of pork fat to make it more juicy. Add the drained cabbage and all other ingredients including white pepper, salt, soy sauce, cooking wine, sesame oil, sugar, and also some ginger. Mix them well in one direction until they become sticky. Next, we are going to move on with the prawn dumpling. Pat dry the prawn and cut them into small pieces. All other seasoning will be the same, and we are going to add some spring onion to bring out the flavors. We have finished preparing our fillings, one with cabbage and one with prawn. Today I'm going to use the store-bought dumpling pastry, which will save you a lot of time, especially when you are very busy. I do, however, notice the ready-made dumpling pastry is thicker. Here I'm going to use a rolling pin to make it thinner. It has enlarged and it has become thinner, as you can see. Place a tablespoon of fillings in the center of the pastry, damp the edge of the pastry with some water and wrap it out. It does take some time, but we have been saving a lot of time by not making the dumpling pastry from the scratch, and it looks so pretty. I really like it. Do you agree with me? And we are ready to fry our dumpling. Add some oil into the non-stick pan and place your dumpling in the pan neatly. Pan fry your dumpling until the bottom turns into brown color. Then pour the water into the pan and the water level should cover 50% of your dumpling. Cover with a lid and cook until all the liquid is gone. And continue cooking until all the water evaporated and the bottom are crispy and golden brown. We got the dumpling, and of course we need the dipping sauce. The easiest ever dipping sauce, which only need 2 ingredients, zhenjiang vinegar and ginger. The crunchy sugar loaf cabbage with the juicy pork mince make it a perfect match, and it is so delicious. And the juicy pork mince with the tender prawn make it so beautiful and mouth-watering even when I'm now doing the video recording. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy it and I will see you again. Bye!